other ways. All right, let's push a bit this side. Stand where you're able to see the cheetah, and the cheetah is able to see. Don't worry. You can see the way it's touching. One way. It has to be one way when you are petting. It has to be one way. Or you can pick the tail. Okay.
Oh, it's almost like the way they lick themselves.
Yes. Yes.
Stand up. Stand up. Can you make it stand?
No. Yeah, as I said, you are still teaching them. Okay. Anyone else? All right, next. Who's going next?
Push this side, bro. Push this side yourself. Come this side. Yeah, there. Yeah. Put your chin. Plant both knees on the ground. We can help to get up if you please. Yes. Then. How is it, sir?